girl, how are you? Welcome to the channel. My name is Larry Lawrence, and welcome to my channel. Here we do beauty, we do fashion, we do vlogs, we do styling, we do thrift, we do all the things, and we yap. So if that is your vibe, come on over, girl, come on over. But today we are going to do a wig review from iDefine Wig. They were so wonderful and nice to send this to me. We're actually gonna try something cute and flirty and fun for the summer. So it's summertime. I usually have my natural hair out because it is too hot for a lace front wig. It's too hot to glue down. It's too hot. It's just too hot. My skin, my face melts. I sweat from my forehead. So it's just a lot. It's too much to deal with. But there are times we want to change up our look. iDefine Wig got us together with this short 8-inch bob unit with bangs. She is so cute. She is just giving me chic, summer, fun, flirty girl vibes. Short hairstyles, short bobs. Bobs in general, bangs are like very much in trend right now. And the summertime is the perfect time to try this out because it's just a short unit. She's not gonna get you too hot. This is actually my first time opening this and looking at it, so we'll see. So in the box, they give you 2 wig caps, which I love. They give you a lighter color and a darker color. I can tell before I even get the netting off that this hair is so soft. So they have it stuffed so it doesn't lose its shape. And then they have like this plastic foam insert, which I love, so you don't lose your shape. The worst thing is to get a wig. It's all oblong and bent. It's the worst thing. I would say this is like a number 2. It was showing up a little darker on camera. Like I said, she's really short, so it's summertime. You don't have to worry about hair being all over your neck and getting all sweaty. So that's perfect. And this is a full wig. Girl, I have had moments where my wig has melted. The glue has melted, my lace is lifting, and I'm outside in front of people and there's like nothing I can do about it. That is the worst. But this wig, you're not gonna have to worry about that. Inside, you have 2 combs on the side. You've got a comb in the back, and then you have an adjustable band. The hair is very soft. I'm gonna put my hair into this I'm gonna put my hair into a quick little ponytail, and then we're gonna put this chic, beautiful unit on. Make sure the combs are on. These combs are making sure that nothing is going anywhere. And so this is what we have. Oh, I'm gonna put some life into her. We're just gonna use a flat iron just to bump up the ends and bump up the bangs and define this look. I wanna create like a messy look just to show like the different ways you can style it, because you can have it just be like flat like this, you know, side bang, probably like part it behind your ear, give that kind of look, or you can just make it into a messy little cute bob. And so I'm also gonna flip it out. The hair curls so beautifully, and I love how it's layered. It like frames the face really well. Flip up pieces, flip down pieces, flip up some pieces. We're just gonna kind of curl it in different directions just to like create some texture. Okay, and so after just playing with the hair a little bit, I absolutely love how messy and like flowy it is. Oh my gosh, this wig is so cute. And I love the tuck behind the ear because it shows off my jewelry. It kind of makes it more playful, more fun. Oh, it's just like the cutest, easiest summer hair. And it literally doesn't take much to style it at all. Besides the quality of the wig, I also love the website. So we're actually gonna go to the website right now, live together, so you guys can see how easy it is. So we're gonna go to iDefineWig.com. We are going to go over here to Wear and Go Wigs. They're actually having a sale right now, so you guys should get in on it. If you do want to purchase this wig, the link is below with all the details. Use the code, use the link below. It'll take you directly there to get this sick, chic summer unit. Girl, I'm loving her. They do have it at 10, 12, 14, and 16. They also have different lace sizes and different hair densities. So for me, this is 180, but they also have 150, and they also have a 200% 100% density. And their shipping is expedient and fantastic. So the processing time is usually 2 to 4 days with 5 to 7 days shipping to the United States. And also they have a 30-day return policy. If you are kind of like iffy about your wig, you're not sure, just try it on. Don't cut off any lace, don't wash it. And as long as you don't do those two things, you can still return within 30 days and get a full refund. So like I said, link down below to purchase this super cute natural cut wig. And make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel so you can get into more fashion, beauty, vlogs, hair, styling, thrift. We do all the things over here. And I'm gonna see you later, girl. Have a good week. Bye.